So in this problem, what we have to do is we're supposed to find the inverse of the matrix which is given to us. Matrix given to us is this matrix over here, which is 2, 3, and 5 and 7. So what we're gonna do is we know that when you multiply an identity matrix with a matrix, you're gonna get the same matrix again. So let's just take the matrix on the LHS and let's get the identity matrix on the RHS. So remember that when you're having the matrix on the LHS, when you make that matrix into an identity matrix, automatically what happens is your identity matrix on your RHS is going to become an inverse matrix. Okay. So what you're going to first do is you're going to try to make your LHS into your identity matrix. So to do that, what we're going to do first, you're going to do R2 is equal to R2 minus 2 times R1. So now once you've done that, you're going to get 1 on the third and fourth elements. Okay, so since we've done that, what we're going to do now is we're going to try and make your first element into a 1. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to do R1 is equal to R1 minus R2. So once you've done that, you're going to have 1 and 2 in the first row and 1 and 1 in the second row. So remember, while you're doing all these operations, you apply the operations to both the LHS and to your RHS. So once you've done this, you're going to get this equation over here. And now what we have to do is we're going to try and get a 0 in your third position. To get that, we're going to do R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. So once you've done that, you're going to have 0 and minus 1 on your second row. So now we already have 1 and 0 in your first and your third position. So what we have to do now is we're going to try and bring 1 in your fourth position. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply minus 1 to the second row. So once you've done that, you're going to have 1 in the first for the first element, 2 for the second element, 0 for the third element, and 1 for the fourth element. So obviously the only thing we have to do now is we're going to make the second element into a 0. So to do that, we're going to do R1 is equal to R1 minus of 2R2. So once you've done that, you're going to have 1, 0 and 0, 1. And this is going to be equal to your inverse matrix. So your inverse matrix is going to be minus 7 and 3 and 5 and minus 2. So that's going to be your answer.